Welcome guys, after 1 month. I finally decided to upload a new video. But first of all I want to thank you all for 1K subs. Now let's get into the video. So want this Outer Banks edit?
I think we should,
Tell me, Rafe, what's your great idea?
I think we should kill them all.
4 out of time, we popping this shit right now, yeah. I'm just high me walk, can't feel myself, oh yeah, yeah. She's a trend type, so I'm trying to pop, oh yeah, yeah.
Let's start. Have your clips ready? Go on filters and add high saturation. Make it 75. Now ADD filter fade.
I think we should,
Tell me, Rafe, what's your great idea?
I think we should kill them all.
4 out I'm walk, can't feel myself, oh yeah, yeah. She's a trend, oh yeah, yeah. She's a trend type, so I'm trying to pop, oh yeah, yeah. Who you want trying to mind?
I think we should.
ADD filter BW1. Now add white flash transition. Now let's add zooms. We have done this many times, so I think we can skip if you are new. Check previous vids.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
I think we should kill them all.
4 out of time, we popping this shit right now, yeah. I'm just high me walk, can't feel myself, oh yeah, yeah. She's a trend type, so I'm trying to pop, oh yeah, yeah. Bring this shit right now, yeah.
Add Chrome blur and make it the whole edit.
Purchase your tracks today.
Add white flash for some clips too.
Purchase
Talking, we popping this shit right now, yeah. so I'm trying to power, yeah.
Now ADD Black Flash.
I've been talking, we popping this shit right now, yeah. I've been talking, we popping this shit right now, yeah. I've been talking, we popping this.
I think we should,
Go on effects again and ADD rebound. Swing. Intensity for 8.
I think we should kill them all.
Before I've been talking, we popping this. Before I've been talking.
I think we should kill them all.
Before I've been talking, we popping this shit right now, yeah. I'm just high, me walk, can't feel myself, oh yeah. She's a trend type, so I'm trying to power, yeah.
Copy IT for some more clips.
Feel myself, oh yeah. She's talking, we popping this shit right now, yeah. I'm just high, me walk, can't feel myself. Me walk, can't feel myself, oh yeah. She's a trend type, so I'm trying to power, yeah.
I think we should,
Export it and go to Node Video. Add the edit and add glow. Edit it to your liking and you're done.
I think we should,
Tell me, Rafe, what's your great idea?
I think we should kill them all.